And today, city officials stressed that Lubbock could be dangerously close to a shutdown order from the governor. That was the press conference today, at this time in person at City Hall. KLBK's Grace Morris was at the press conference today. Grace, how close are we to a shutdown?
Terry, currently the city's COVID-19 hospital positivity rate has risen to 13%. Hospitals are nearing capacity, and even healthcare workers are falling ill with the virus. City officials saying that if the positivity rate reaches 15% for 7 days straight, it could push the governor to order another shutdown.
I'm going to tell you right now, we're in a bad spot.
New COVID-19 cases hitting an all-time high Wednesday, spiking at 310.
That case count increased significantly every day. This is way too many cases for a community our size.
Lubbock's current hospital positivity rate sitting at 13%. 15% positivity is the cutoff for another shutdown to be considered.
We're dangerously close to being on the shutdown list in the governor's office.
Health officials claiming that schools and large outdoor gatherings are not to blame for this spread, but instead birthday parties, crowded restaurants, and small social gatherings.
There's not a pass given to just hanging out. We've got to wear a mask. We've got to keep our distance. We've got to wash our hands, and we've got to hang out only with those people that we have been hanging out with since March.
Our local hospitals reaching capacity, having to turn patients away from rural hospitals.
We now find ourselves not able to always take care of the region that we support.
And now doctors and nurses in the ICU being treated for COVID-19.
If we don't stop it, then we're going to be in real trouble. If there's potential for this surge, especially as we move into the winter and move indoors, get closer to each other, it could be disastrous.
Health officials saying if Lubbock isn't vigilant, then the worst may be still to come.
Everybody in this community is sick and tired of COVID-19. Keep your guard up, wear your masks, socially distance, be socially responsible.
And with Halloween just 2 weeks away, the city's saying that costume masks are not sufficient protection to avoid shared candy bowls and to sanitize your hands often. Terry?